Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove anything or unwanted people from the photo, using content-aware fill and patch tools. Watch the full video carefully, without missing any step. Before starting, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Choose Path Tools and select the thing you want to remove. Now drag the selected part, until it looks good and perfect. Now let's try another photo removing people. Select any selection tool you want, and select the people you want to remove. After that, go to Edit option and select Content Aware Fill. Then unselect the object, people or anything that you don't want to use by Content Aware. Check your progress in the right tab. When you are done, click OK. It is almost done. Now we have to correct by using Patch tool. Select the area and drag Patch tools until it looks good. Congratulations! You have done it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. At last, watch me doing other edit in speed mode.